You know, I've had a lot of questions recently on oven cleaning. And we know it's a dirty job, but somebody's got to do it, right? Now, I know a lot of you have self-cleaning ovens, and if you do and you want to use them, that is super. But a lot of you don't want to use them either, so I'm going to show you a really easy trick to clean the oven. Now, the first thing I've done is I've heated a pan of water on the stove till it's nice and hot, almost boiling. I'm going to carry it over to my oven. And then I'm going to add the secret ingredient. What we're going to do is we're going to put in a couple of lemons. Now, these are really big lemons. But if yours are smaller, you can put in 3 if you need to, but we're just going to drop them in and be careful because the water is going to be hot. We're going to sit that into the oven, just like that. I'm going to close the door, and I'm going to turn the oven on to 350 degrees. Now I'm going to walk away for 1 hour, and I suggest that you set a timer so you don't forget that you're cooking lemon water in there. All right, guys, it's been over an hour. I shut the oven off an hour ago. I've waited about an hour to let that water and the oven cool down a little. Now, all this time, that lemon steam has been in the oven, softening all that yuck, so I can get in there and clean it up. Now, I like to wear rubber gloves because, you know, the manicure and all, but you don't have to. It's all natural, so you don't need to worry. But I do like to wear my gloves. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna open the oven, and I'm just gonna reach in and take out my pan. And I have here some baking soda in a bowl. I'm gonna add some of my wonderful lemon water, that heated lemon water, to my bowl, just to kind of get it into a paste. Then I will use that only on areas that are hard to clean. I will start and rub off anything I can and put this on anything that's tough. So say I have a spot over here that's a little hard to clean, I'm just gonna put that on, and I'm gonna take my scrubbing sponge, and always use a good scrubbing sponge on it. Go in, and I'm just gonna scrub that right there. And then once I'm done, I'll rinse it off. Now, a lot of the stuff will be wet and moist. You can take a microfiber cloth, or better still, paper towels, and wipe it right off. When you're done, rinse it. You're finished. You do ovens, and it's clean. Give it a try and see what you think. This is the lemon steam method to clean your oven. For more information, go to queenofclean.com. Thanks for talking dirty with the Queen of Clean.